Okay. You have seen it very well, all of you. But most important thing is that we need to create the GL accounts. Okay. So based on the primary cost or revenue. Okay, under this expenses GL account only. So you know it very well. How we can able to create the primary cost as, I mean, when it comes to the normal thing, I mean like expenses and all, we will take out the GL account type as expenses and all, like balance sheet account and P&L accounts and all. But when it comes to the SAP S4 HANA, you have the feasibility, that is, you can directly take out the GL account type as this one, primary cost is or secondary cost is and all. Now we will going to create the GL accounts and this expenses with the help of GL account type, that is primary cost is. Go to the transaction, go to FS00, and meanwhile go to the Word document. Go to the Word document. Next configuration step is create GL accounts. Create GL accounts. GL accounts using transaction code FS00. Right. So do we have any expenses? We have expenses, right? In FS00. Open the other expenses. You have 400,607 bank charges and all, right? Okay, good. So first, we will create the stationery expenses account. Okay. Go to the create option. 400,608. Take out the 400,608 and change the company code. Yeah, continue option. And GL account type is the primary cost or revenue. GL account type is primary cost or revenue. The next accounting group is other expenses, and short text is like give stationery expenses, no issue. STATIONARYEXPENSS, or else STATIONARY stationery expenses. GL account long text is also same thing, stationery expenses. Short key is 001. Yes, so here account settings in controlling area MAL2. Okay, controlling area for MAL2. See how you are getting this MAL2, all of you. Why? Because our company code is particularly related to the controlling area. We have taken the cross company code postings only, right? And our controlling area is equal to company code. So in that cost element category, okay, so it is related to the primary cost. Okay, so go to the cost element category. Go to the cost element category. In that particular cost element category, we can able to take primary costs or cost reducing revenues. Okay, that is very, very important. And take out the 01. Take out the 01. Yeah. So when it comes to the create or bank interest in the field status group, you can just take out the cost accounts. That is Z004. So D is Z004 is the cost accounts. Yeah. So go to the subheading and save it. That's it. So see all of you. So our 400608 stationery expenses has been created. Go to the Word document now and try to take out the point. A point is stationery expenses and the account is 400608. So for our reference only, we are taking all these things and all of you. Stationery expenses STATIONARY. Please write the spellings correctly. STATIONARY. STATIONARY. 400608. And then next step. So we will going to create the travel expenses account. Go to the expenses and try to take out the create option for 000609. Type out description. In the type out description, you can just remove the yeah, travel expenses. Just give travel. Go to the control data. In that control data, sort key is 001 and the cost element category is equal to 01. I think that is sort key is 001. Cost element category is 01. Primary costs or cost reduces revenues. The next in the create or bank interest, the field status group is Z004. Z004. Go to the save button and save it. And go to the Word document and try to write down this travel expenses. That account is 400609. Travel expenses. So the account is 400609. Then next step. We have HR expenses and go to the create HR expenses. GL account is type of description. Just give HR expenses. HR expenses. Good. Control data. In that control data 001, sort key is 001 and primary cost element is 1. Good. Then create or bank interest is Z004 cost accounts. Go to the save button and save it. Then next step. What are all the expenses? One more expenses we can able to create it. That is electricity expenses we can able to create it. Go to the FS00 only. Yeah. 400611. Type of description. In the type of description, give the short text as electricity expenses. Electricity expenses. Yeah. In the GL long text is also electricity expenses. Control data. In that control data, sort key is 001 and cost element category is 01. That is primary costs and field status group is Z004. That's it. Go to the save button and save it. So now go to the Word document and try to give it. Electricity expenses is 400,611. Electricity expenses. EXP in yes. Remove the EXE, not the E. No. EXE you have written, right? Remove the E. That's fine. Expenses. Okay, now the second, the 11th step is make it, try to write down the 11th step. Post FI invoices. 11th step is post FI invoices. Using transaction code FB50. Post FI invoices using transaction code FB50. Okay, right. So go to the transaction code FB50. So you are making, suppose try to take one example, that is you are making wages, expenses and all. Okay, so wages payment. So for that one, we need to take out the GL account as a HR expenses account. Okay, go to the transaction code FB50. So try to take out the date, that is 01.04.2024. 01.04.2024. 01.04.2024. Then next, give the document header text as salary for April 2024. Salary for April. Salary for April APR 2024. Then next step. See, I'm just giving you the overall things and all of you. Okay, so no need to worry about all these things, but when it comes to the testing, so we are just testing each and everything. When it comes to the product costings, allocations and distributions and all, you will see the real product details and all. Okay, activity with the help of activity types and all. But for our sake of reference only, we are just doing the testing. Okay, I will show you how the month ending process will be run when it comes to the controlling. Okay, cost sheets and all. Not the cost sheets, it is a controlling record report. Okay, so take out the GL account. Take out the GL account as a HR expenses account that we have created. Take out the HR expenses account. So and enter the amount. This is debit. Yeah, this is debit. And enter the amount as 10 lakh. Enter the amount as 10 lakh. Okay, so now definitely all of you, it will ask you to enter the cost center. What we need to do is drag it to the downside. Drag it to the right side. Drag it to the right side, and you will going to have the cost center, all of you. Drag it to the right side. Yes. So here in the cost center, what we need to take out is HR common cost center we have created, right? Yeah, go to the drop down option. Continue. We have created a HR common. Okay, so that is the main important thing right now we have. Yeah, take out the HR common is the cost center. Okay, that is very, very important. Then take out the credit GL account as any bank GL account, like ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, any bank. Right, no need to enter any cost centers and all. So for our HR expenses only, we will going to take out the 400 610. So that means we have assigned the cost center for this particular thing. Okay, so that is very, very important. Why? Because how you can able to enter the cost center. This is the way you can able to enter the cost center for the particular GL. Okay, now I mean when it comes to the product costing, that is completely different. We will try to create the cost sheets. Based on that cost sheets, you can able to find out the report. Based on that particular report, it should be reflected in the materials only. Whatever the materials that you are creating, that should be reflected in that material things only. Okay, if it is not reflected, then how you can able to compare the prices, okay, with present product price. For whatever the estimation price that you have, you will going to enter that estimation price in your purchase orders or sales orders or anything. So sales order is different in your purchase orders only. Okay, now you will compare, right? So for that particular prices, whatever the prices that you are entering, okay, you will going to compare it. So when you are comparing all these prices and all, then you will going to estimate the profit. So in that profit, you can able to see the profit center report. Okay, so that is the main flow of the costing. You will going to see it. Okay, now what we need to do is go to the simulate option. Go to the simulate option. Click on the enter, go to the simulate option. So double click on ICICI bank account. Double click on ICICI bank account and just give the text as salary for April 2024. Salary for April 2024. Nah, yeah, click on the enter, come back. Okay, now go to the save button and save it. Correct the customizing settings for the universal general ledger. Okay, open this one. FINAC underscore AC docker. What is the company code that we have? Yeah, select this FINS underscore AC docker underscore cust 201. It is not giving information. No. Just select the FINS underscore AC docker underscore. Yeah, you're not getting go to the correct the customizing settings for ledgers for the universal journal. It is also not giving go to the technical information. We have if it is not giving any information. I'm go to the transaction code. Okay, KP. It is giving like this. Take out your controlling area. Go to the activity components. Sorry, activate components. Try to the downside. Component is activated. Component is activated. Okay, come back. Sorry, assignments of company codes. Double click on MAL2, MAL2, Tata Motors. Go to the basic data, ma'am. Go to the basic data. Double click on that. Yeah, double click on MAL2. Our currency is INR. That's it, right. MAL2 CCSH. That's fine. Okay, what we need to do is go to the transaction code FINAC underscore ledger. So it is fine. Go to the transaction code FINAC underscore ledger. Click on the enter. Continue. Select the 0L and go to the company code settings. Company code settings for the ledger. Continue. Go to the position and take out your company code. Drag to the right side. Give me 1 second. Fiscal year variant is okay. Posting variant is okay. And accounting principle is okay. That's fine, right? And give the functional currency as 10 also, no? Right to the left side. Right side, right side. And after you have functional currency, yeah, that is 10. Click on the enter, go to the Sibrin and save it. You have the accounting principle also, yeah. Go to the continue option. Continue. Go to the accounting principles also. Go to the accounting principle. Double click on it. You have general accepted accounting principle. Okay, come back. No issue. Just be there in. I mean, just be there in this screen only. Go to the FB50. Now give /n. Incorrect automating postings are cancelled. 10 lakh rupee only, right? Okay. Go to the simulate option. Go to the save button. Correct the customizing settings for the. Okay, give /n and once again post that thing. Take out the document number, date and posting date. Why you are getting universal journal ledger? Once again, we have already cleared that error, right? Correct the customizing settings for the. Okay, go to the transaction code SCC4. Go to the transaction code SCC4. What is your client, ma'am? 400, huh? And why it is giving USD?
Yes, sir, 400, sir.
Okay. Select this one and go to the edit option, display or edit. Display or edit, not the drop down option. Continue. Remove the USD and just give INR. Let's see this one. Go to the save button and save it. Give /n. Now go to the give /n here and go to the transaction code FB50. Correct the customization settings for the universal ledger. Okay, open this one. See why you're here. They're not giving any information, right? Okay, remove it. Go to the transaction code OBY6. Go to the transaction code OBY6. Go to the position and give your MAL2. Click on the enter. MAPZ posting. Okay, give /n. Give /n and go to the transaction code OKKP once again. Give /n. Maybe it is not taking cross company code postings. Give /n and take out your controlling area. Double click on this one. Double click on this one. Double click on it and take out the company code as cross company code. Remove this one. Assignment control. Controlling area same as company code. Take out that one and go to the save button and save it. MAL2 company codes are assigned to controlling area 4. Open this one. If the indicator for assignment controlling is society, you can assign only one company code. Don't make any change. Alternatively, delete the assignments if the possible. Okay, remove it. Remove it. Why it is coming into controlling areas? Okay, what we need to do is take out new screen. Take out new screen. Go to SPRO, reference IMG. SPRO, reference IMG. Then next enterprise structure. Enterprise structure, assignment, controlling, and assign company code to controlling area. Assign company code to controlling area. It is asking you every time. Reference IMG and enterprise structure assignments, controlling, assign company code to controlling area. Yeah. Go to the position and just give your MAL2. Select this one and go to the assignment of company codes. Why you have assigned controlling area to different types of company codes? Select that one. Select JVA1 and delete it. Select SAT1. Why they have assigned their company codes to your controlling area? Okay, we'll see it. Select these two. Go to the delete option. Okay, continue. Now give /n, and go to the transaction code FB50. I think so. Because of this one, they are getting there. Give /n 01.04.2000. Again, you are getting there. Open this one. Correct the customizing settings for the ledger for the invoice. We are not finding any errors. Okay, go to the transaction code OKKP. Go to the transaction code OKKP. Change this one, ma'am. Controlling area, company code. Controlling area same as company code. Okay, give /n or else go to the transaction code OKKP. Give the controlling area. Double click on this one. No. Come back. Double click on this one directly. Change this one. Company code as controlling area as same as company code. Go to the save button and save it. Mass data project. Go to the SAP system. And paste it here. Okay. Click on the enter. Give your project, ma'am, MAL2. Go to the execute option. Do we have any errors? Assign company code to controlling area, 0 warnings. Execute it, ma'am. Yes. Data processing has been started. Job will be scheduled. Okay. 0 errors, 0 messages. Go to the assign company code to controlling area B2K. Select this one. Execute it. Is complete. Okay. Continue. Yeah, come back. Maybe this is the error. I think so. Go to the save button and save it. Give the variant name. MAL2 MIG. MAL2 underscore MIG. Description MAL2 underscore MIG. Go to the save button and save it. Give /n. Now go to the transaction code FP15. Yeah, we will see. This document has been posted with that error. I think so. We haven't executed all these postings, so that's why we are getting this error. Okay. So this is your error, all of you. So FINS underscore CCD 2COA underscore cockpit. I think so. We have created the project, right? So in that project, execution has not been happened. So that's why you are getting the error. So that is why in the customizing, correct the customizing settings for the ledger also, you're not getting your, ledger errors. You are getting only migration cockpit errors. This is not the migration cockpit. This is just for the project ID migration. Within the system only, it has to be executed. Okay. So don't worry, all of you. So tomorrow I will be at 7 a.m. Why? Because I need to complete these things within 26th or 27th May, sorry, April. And then we have to complete LSMW. See, you will going to get these types of errors. Okay. Okay. Give selection and go to the document overview. Go to that document. Go to the document and document display. Document display. And go to the document overview. Open this cap option. You can able to see the no, not this one. Go to the general ledger view. Remove it. Go to the general ledger view. Here only. Drag it to the right side. Where is the call center that we have assigned? Where is our call center? No. Come back. Sorry, entry view. Go to the entry view. Drag to the right side. Where is our call center? Go to the details. I think so. In that you can able to. Yes. Okay. That has been updated. Cost center has been updated. Okay, now what is all of you? I think so. We have taken too much time. Okay. See, all of you, if you have got that error, then what you would do is just go for this transaction code FINS underscore CCD to COA underscore cockpit. Okay, I think so. I have checked with my previous document. Okay, and that document was also not helped. Okay, this transaction code has been helped. That means here you need to enter the project ID. With that project ID, execution has not happened. I mean, while we create the project ID, we just created the project ID, but execution has not happened. So that's why this thing is, yeah, I will show you one thing. Go to the FINS underscore MIG underscore activation. Sorry, finish. Click on the enter. Yes, continue. It will show you one thing, all of you. No, not this one. Go to the drop down option. This is complete errors we have. FINS underscore cust underscore CONS underscore CHK underscore P. Yes, click on the enter. And take out the use values, then MAL2 company code and ledger. Ledger is 0. What are the continue option? See, it is not giving any errors. Previously, it is giving errors. That is migration errors. Okay, so list of company codes and ledgers checked. Company code ledger 0L check passed. Okay, if it is like this, then you can able to post the things. Otherwise, you cannot. Okay. Okay, all of you, no need to worry. Tomorrow we will continue the sessions.